Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Iam Rashid from Bangladesh Army University of Science and Technology, Department of Triple. Today our project is electricity generation, transmission and distribution from thermal power plants. This is our project. What to say? Let's dive into generation. First step is in the boiler. Fuel burned to create high pressure steam. This steam follows to turbine, spinning its blades to produce mechanical energy. The turbine is connected to generator, which converts motion into electricity through electromagnetic induction. The output is high voltage electricity, typically 11 to 25 kilovolts. This process is efficient but produces emission, which we will discuss later. Electricity is generated, it needed to travel long distances. This is called transmission. First, a step-up transformer increases voltage 220 to 400 kilovolts to reduce energy loss. High voltage transmission lines can then carry the power across regions. Substations along the very way to the follow and voltages. This high voltage system ensures minimal losses, like spending water through a narrow pipe to avoid spills. After transmission process, distribution process is started. Now we reach distribution, where power gets to us. Substations use a step-down transformer to lower the voltages to safer levels, like 33 kilovolts for industries to 233 volts for homes. Distribution lines deliver this electricity to houses, schools, factories. Local substation ensure the power is stable. This stage is like the last mile of delivery service. Make sure electricity is safe and reliable for everyone. To warm up thermal power plants are vital for electricity but faces efficiency and environmental challenges. By adopting new technologies and sustainable practices, we can ensure reliable power for the future. Let's support innovation for a greener, brighter world.